man to death. A man who was a Chhattisgarh native, because they suspected that he was a thief. All of this happened in God's own country of Kerala, Palakkad to be precise. 31-year-old Ram Narayan, who was a Dalit migrant labourer from Chhattisgarh, died due to the injuries suffered in this mob lynching. According to the people, Ram Narayan was attacked by a group of men last week who alleged that he was involved in theft in Valayar in Kerala. Well, as per the FIR, this incident occurred before 7:40 p.m. and the injured Ram Narayan was rushed to the Palakkad District Government Hospital, where he later succumbed to his injuries. Well, the police have a detailed investigation which is currently underway to ascertain the sequence of events which led to the incident. In fact, Times Now has managed to access the video which records the moment before the attack. In fact, in this video, you can see that video on your screens as well, and now you're going to listen to it. Listen how people are asking Ram Narayan if he's Bangladeshi. So there is xenophobia as well as unfounded theft charges that you'll see on display. Watch this mob lynching.
देखा पाटले गिर गया
अरे फैन और जब गिर रहा है इधर
भाषा हिंदी पढ़ना भाषा कौन सा भाषा तुम्हारा गांव किधर है बांग्लादेशी
तुम बांग्लादेशी
वो मेरा बहन को लेगा है देखा पाटले गिर गया
अरे फैन और जब गिर रहा है इधर
भाषा हिंदी पढ़ना भाषा कौन सा भाषा तुम्हारा गांव किधर है बांग्लादेशी
तुम बांग्लादेशी
वो मेरा बहन को लेगा है.
Well, with that, some big breaking news which is coming in. Amid the outrage which has already been ignited after this video started going viral. Now, the District Police Chief, Ajit Kumar, IPS officer, has confirmed the lynching of this migrant worker from Chhattisgarh. The police are saying that the victim was assaulted by a group of people, following which a murder case has now been registered. 5 main accused have been arrested and remanded while investigations are continuing. The police have indicated that more people are likely to be involved and assured that further legal action is going to be taken as the probe progresses.
One person who is belonging to Chhattisgarh, he has been assaulted by some group of persons, and with respect to that, one murder case has been registered and 5 persons have been arrested. 5 of the main accused have been arrested and remanded, and further investigation is going on in the case. It is likely to be involvement of some more accused. We are as per our investigation, we are still trying to collect a lot of evidence. So we think that there is involvement of more number of accused, and accordingly legal action will be taken against them.
Well, let me go across to Arpita. Arpita, if you can tell us what really incited this kind of mob violence against Ram? In the sequence, we could hear one person, at least in the background, saying, "Are you Bangladeshi?" Can you tell us what else was being discussed in that sequence?
Well, initially these group of people started attacking this migrant worker, thinking that he was stealing something, which then led to them asking questions like, "Are you a Bangladeshi?" They mistook his identity and they assumed that he's a Bangladeshi, but because of language barrier, both they couldn't communicate properly. In fact, the migrant worker also, he's saying that "I have come here for work," but the locals there couldn't understand what he was saying and went on to continue to think that he was a Bangladeshi, and they went on to lynch him. In the video you can see how brutally he was attacked, and now the post-mortem report says that over 80 injuries are there across his body, all over his body. There are more than 80 injuries, and there are severe injuries on his head. That is why which led to his death. So head injury and brutal injuries across his body led to his death. Now the family has said that they want compensation from the state government. Only then they will take the body of this migrant worker. So they are in Palakkad, but they have refused to take the body, accept the body. They have clearly said that the state government should compensate for what has happened. Only then they will accept the body. But meanwhile, the police is investigating the entire incident. They are looking into what exactly happened on that day. For now, they have arrested 5 people. But what the police is saying is that they suspect more individuals are involved in this entire incident.
It's shameful, really. He had merely gone there to work, but he was inflicted with this bigotry, with baseless accusations, and there were 80 different injuries which were across the body of Ram, some of them serious head injuries, which led to his unfortunate demise. He succumbed to his injuries in the hospital. Now, the family of Ram Narayan is demanding an investigation under the stringent provisions of the law, under the SC/ST prevention of atrocities as well, because remember, Ram Narayan was from the Dalit community. In fact, his brother had confirmed that they belong to the scheduled caste community and that the accused must be charged under the SC/ST Act as well. The police have said that the post-mortem examination of the victim has been completed. As even Arpita was telling us, the post-mortem reveals the extent of brutality that was inflicted upon Ram Narayan. The post-mortem, which was conducted at the Thrissur Government Medical Hospital, has revealed over 80 injuries all over the body of Ram Narayan. This includes shattered rib bones, a broken spine, and severe head trauma. It is the head trauma, as per the doctors, which led to extensive internal bleeding and concluded that death resulted from assault and blood lost. Most of these injuries were caused by blows and sticks. We are not going to show you the actual footage because it is way too gruesome for us to air any of that footage. However, what you can see is that short sequence that we are showing for you, the way this mob decided to interrogate Ram Narayan, asking him if he is Bangladeshi. In fact, what some of the reactions coming in?
तो जो भीड़ द्वारा पीटा जो धारा है मॉब लिंचिंग का, वो केस दर्ज होना चाहिए और जो तहसील पूनावाला का धारा है SIT टीम गठित वो हो और मृतक जो मेरे परिवार के जो ये मेरे दोनों बच्चे हैं मेरे भाई के, इनको जो है उचित जो है मुआवजा राशि 25 लाख रुपए मिले, ऐसा मेरी सरकार से मांग है। और हम लोग SC समुदाय से आते हैं तो SC/ST एट्रोसिटी की धारा जो है वो दर्ज होना चाहिए। जब तक मेरी ये मांगे नहीं पूरी हो जाती हम शव को कहीं नहीं ले जाएंगे।
केरल गिरी से साहब कमाए तो बांग्लादेशी समझ के वाला मार दे गए है और ओकरे से गरीब आदमी ओकरे से गुजारा से ओकर दिन रोटी चलत है। शासन से अनुरोध करत हन कि ओकर छोटे छोटे बाल बच्चा ओकर डोकरी दे है जेमन कहा बिल्कुल सहारा है। सरकार से अनुरोध करत हन कि ओकर जिए खा के कुछ सहयोग चाहिए सरकार से।
और बेटा है ना कमाए खा गए मजदूरी से, वही कमाते खाते जेठन हमन और पोषण पालन करते तो हमन कहा मत से जीवो तो हमार सरकार से मदद मांगत हन।
Awful, really. That entire family was economically dependent on Ram Narayan and his earning. Today, of course, questions are going to be raised. If the Vijayan government is going to wake up, find out who all were part of this mob violence against Ram Narayan, who killed him and also helped the family. Well, the mob lynching in Kerala, of course, has triggered off sharp political reactions. AICC General Secretary K.C. Venugopal has condemned this incident and has accused the Pinarayi Vijayan-led government in Kerala of failing to act against the spread of what he calls fear-based propaganda. He's urged the Kerala government to provide immediate and adequate compensation to the victim's family as well. Meanwhile, Kerala Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan has assured that justice will be ensured for the family of Ram Narayan, who was killed following a mob assault in Palakkad. He's also said that strict action is going to be taken against those who are responsible. The Kerala Chief Minister has added that such acts, which tarnish the reputation of a progressive society such as Kerala, are completely unacceptable. But words without action are not going to go a far way. But with that, let's move on in the bulletin. Across